there, lovers. Welcome back to Home Decor Hall, your go-to channel for all things cozy and styling for your home sweet home. With Valentine's Day just around the corner, it's time to sparkling some love and romance into your bedroom decor. Whether you are celebrating with a partner or simply want to treat yourself, we have got some super simple yet oh so adorable decoration ideas to set the mood for love. Let's dive in. Get crafty with some heart-shaped wall decals or create your own using colored paper. Arrange them in a heartwarming pattern above your bed or on a blank wall to instantly add a touch of love to your space. Swap out your regular bedding for some soft, luxurious shades in romantic hush-like blush pink or deep red. Top it off with fluffy pillows and a cozy throw to create a dreamy oasis for you and your sweetheart. Create a magical atmosphere by dropping twinkling fairy light and around your headboard or along the ceiling. The soft glow will add warmth and charm to your bedroom. Perfect for cuddling up with your loved one. Light up some scented candles with romantic fragrances like rose, jasmine, or lavender. Not only will they fill the air with a delightful aroma, but they will also create a cozy ambience that's sure to ignite the sparks of love. Hang up some love-themed artwork or framed quotes that speak to your heart. Whether it's beautiful painting of a couple embracing or a simple yet powerful love mantra, let your walls tell the story of your love. Get creative and scatter love notes or sweet messages around your bedroom. You can leave them tucked under pillows, on the bedside table, or even hidden in unexpected place for your partner to discover throughout the day. And there you have it, folks. Some easy peasy Valentine's Day bedroom decoration ideas to make your love nest extra special. You hope you enjoyed these tips and feel inspired to add a sprinkle of romance to your space. forget to hit that like button and subscribe to Home Decor Hall for more homey goodness. Until next time, stay cozy and keep spreading the love.